Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fazil here. Um, I think I've been trading for more than 2 years right now. It's been quite a good journey, a roller coaster journey, and I've seen ups and downs. In terms of how I begin my career in trading and where I am right now. Right. So I just wanted to share you guys few important things which will probably help you guys how you change your perception towards trading, right? So one of the most important things which you need to be incorporating in your trading is to understand what the trend is, right? You need to understand will the market would be trending today, um, or how to go about days when it is not trending, or most of the times 70% of the time market will be in a range bound, right? So today we're going to discuss a very important thing to help you guys follow the trend so that you can you can actually utilize this particular indicator which I'm going to talk about today. Okay. So as you guys see in my screen, there are a lot of things in fact, so some of you guys who are beginners who might not able to understand what are these particular red clouds or green clouds, right? So we'll discuss about that right now. So first of all, this is a Banknifty chart. Okay. um, you guys can see this is a 15 minutes chart, and the indicator which I'm using is Lux Algo. You will get the Lux Algo indicator with the link in my description. um, and it's been working really good, guys. I mean, since the budget, since the market has has gone up like more than 4,000 points, 4,000, yeah, 5,000 points precisely when it was when it was at 31,000. Now the volatility is so high that every day you can see around 500 to 600 points movements, right? I think this is probably the best time that you can actually capture enough movement in the market, although if it is not trending, because even if it is a range bound, the market will stay within 600 to 700 points on a daily basis these days. And specifically when it is trending, which happened today, which the market shot up to about 1,200 points, which is a great movement, specifically for an option buyer, where you can probably make a lot of money in this kind of trending markets. So here you can see there are buy and sell signals, strong sell signals which has been generated. I think it is working really fine. From last probably 2 weeks since the budget time, I think it has been really working fine. So what you can see is see the most important thing in this particular indicator is the flexibility that it offers. So if you go to settings of this indicator, sorry, I'm using three specific indicators which you can see. One is the Lux Algo Premium, which is actually the indicator which I rely on. The other two indicators are mostly to help me give more confirmation, in terms of how I take trades or how I take entry points, right? You can see the red line, precisely, which is a thinner red line right here, um, specifically right here, which is the smooth moving average. It is a smooth moving average of period 7, and you can see the market actually respects this moving average quite quite nicely. In fact, when it is a downtrend, let me change it to blue color so that it will be easy for you guys to understand. Yeah, let me make it a little dark. So here you can see the market really respects the moving average quite nicely, and when the market, I mean, when there is a strong upsell movement, you can see the indicator Lux Premium gave a strong signal, which gave a very good result today. So there are a lot of features involved in this particular indicator, which helps you to actually take decisions accordingly. Um, yeah, so the one more indicator which I've been using is PP signal. You can search in the indicators, right here, and you can get the access to it. So PP signal actually gives an understanding about what are the short-term and long-term trends. So here you can see the market, the trend change from green to red clearly shows that we are actually, we are going to step into the bearish market, which gave a very good downfall, and supported by the Lux Premium signal as well. We could see a very good movement, roughly around, I think it's around, yeah, 500 points movement. So this actually gives a lot of conviction into your trades, and it helps you to actually get the correct entry points. Let's try and understand how the indicator works. So the best part of the indicator is what I like is you can change the signals accordingly in terms of what is the trading style. So if you look at, if there are, one is sensitivity and there is agility. Sensitivity will give you an understanding about how frequent your signals has to come into your chart, and agility will give you an understanding about how we can fine tune these particular signals with proper higher and lower of the market, or lower of that particular signals. So I mean, so far, if I can just play around with this particular sensitivity, you can see that there is a lot of change in the signals. How it offers. So if I move it a little more further down, let me know. Yeah. So if I go below 4, you can see it actually gives you a very accurate signals at 4. So I think this is the best signal that you can possibly get here, which almost you got a got a best signal on the top, and also you were able to get the entire the entire trend in this particular area. So first you need to understand how you need to set the settings. Okay, I've been using a setting. I actually change the settings according to the market condition. So here you can see probably this is the best settings that I've been using, 4 and 44. Depends on market condition. If the market is range bound, you may have to change the settings accordingly. But so far it has been it has been doing really good for me. So if I if I look at changing the agility as well, you can see there could be some kind of fine tuning which can be done in terms of how you want to catch the trend, how you want to catch the top and bottom. Let me play around a little bit with this. Let me move it to 50. No changes. You can still see no changes. Yeah, here you can see the sense. I mean, you can see there are two signals which got eliminated. um, if I change it to 49, Yeah, so these are the two signals which got eliminated when I changed it to 49. So yeah, you can play around with these kind of indicator settings, and depending on how you what's your trading style, accordingly you can modify the settings. So in most cases, it gives you around a good accurate signals. But if you maintain a good risk to reward ratio, I think you can ride the entire trend. The way that it gave the signal right here, you could have made a lot of money till the end of the buy signal here. So you may ask, what are these particular red clouds which are mainly you can see here. Basically these red clouds are basically you can expect a reversal from here. So here you can see there is a reversal when it touches the cloud. Here you can see a reversal when it touches the cloud, and here in the bottom as well you can see some small corrections, small retracements, right here, right here, here. So this will give you essentially a good understanding about when to enter. I mean the kind of correction which happens in the downtrend. Same goes with uptrend as well. So basically these are the reversal zones, and the center part of the cloud is where it will determine what the trend is. If the price is below this particular cloud, basically you can expect the prices to fall down. I mean, the trend, it determines that the trend is bearish. So there are so many things, which helps us to get the confirmation. And the most important thing is what which is helping me is the support and resistance. These are the ranges, in fact, not exactly support and resistance. If you go to this settings of Lux Premium, there are so many features which is available. uh, in the support and resistance method, you can see there is predictive range. What I've selected is the predictive range. I mean, basically you can see the in a ranging market, you can expect the prices to be in the range itself, but when it breaks the range, you can expect the prices to go down, and vice versa when it breaks the upper range. So also you can select the predictive SNR, which is the support and resistance as well. You can see, let me turn it into dark mode. You will see some support and resistance as well. Let me check the support and resistance color. Okay, it is right now the market is bearish, so right now we can see the support zones right here. One second, let me change the background. I think the background is actually disturbing. Yeah. So basically, it gives a support and resistance. I'm really not sure why it is not giving the resistance line. Here you can see a lot of support areas, but I would rather prefer to use the predictive range, which gives an understanding about if the market is in a range bound or not. So yeah. Let me change it to the, yeah. So I think this is probably the best indicator that I've ever used. It helped me a lot. You can probably make your analysis, or you can use your own strategy and use this particular indicators to verify if you're right or wrong. That gives a lot of conviction and trust into your entry and exits. And one more important thing, which also gives you a little bit of information about the volatility. Here you can see a dashboard, which gives you live information of strength of the trend. So here you can see it says trending, and the volatility is around 96%. So I mean, this clearly says that, I mean, the volatility has shot up to almost 96, 97%. and also you can see the bulls are clearly in the control by 90%. That gives you also a conviction of going long, and also the volume and the liquidity as well. So here you can see the oscillator at the same time. Oscillator also will give you the confirmation of the bearish trend, and so far I think it's been really helpful. If you combine with a lot of other indicators, specifically with PP signal, where you can get the the bearish trend, and also with this particular smooth moving average, you can see if the trend, if the price respects this particular moving average, and uses this particular moving average as a part of resistance, and accordingly you can take your trade. I think probably this has helped me a lot, specifically after the budget, since the market has gone up like more than 5,000, 6,000 points, right from February 1st. So if you guys are interested to actually purchase this particular indicator, you can go to my description. I've actually pasted the link below. You can use that particular link, and also you can use coupon code any20 to get your 20% first purchase discount on your first purchase, and you can probably check it out. I think should work well. And if you guys are actually interested to learn more or understand more about how this particular settings works, I'll be updating all this particular information in my Telegram channel. I have also posted my Telegram channel in the link in the description. So we'll catch up there. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, guys. We will also talk about a lot more of these particular indicators in stocks, and also in commodities. So stay tuned. We'll be uploading a lot more videos in the coming days. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you.